Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick video and show you how I made these 3 cute pairs of earrings using the bargain bead box for January of 2024, Dusty Rose. It's a great way to, take the rest of your stash of beads and do something cute with them. So this one I made using the coin beads. I used 2-inch eye pins, and then I took the bar from the toggle clasp because I used the round part of it in my last video for the necklace. And so I just did these at the bottom just so they have a cute little dangle to them. And then this was the next one. I used up those really pretty gemstones. These turned out really cute, and the shell beads and the rhodonite beads and these copper coin beads. And then this is my longer one. So I used 2 of the eye pins, and then I used this little bead cap to cover up part of the circle. And these were really easy to make. If you're not familiar with Bargain Bead Box, it's a monthly subscription, and it's $22.99 a month, and it's retail valued between $60 and $80 a month. So it's a really great subscription. Get a lot of different beads. Everything matches. You can make a lot of jewelry out of one of their bags. So this bag, I've made 2 necklaces so far, 3 pairs of earrings, and I have a ton of beads left. So if you're interested, I will leave the link below. I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. So if you would like to learn how to make these, then stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first one here. And this is the longest, and it's 2-inch eye pins. And then I'm going to start with just putting that at the bottom. And I like to use my round nose pliers when I'm doing this because I like to be able to remake the the circle and stuff if needed. I can put it in there and round it out a little more and stuff like that. Okay, so there we have that. And then I'll show you how I just make sure that when it's hanging, when you have the earring on, that is the front. So you get that little piece of the pendant. Okay, so I have that. Now I'm going to do a seed bead and one of the pink beads and another seed bead. Oh, you know what? I didn't show you everything. I'm sorry. So I'm using the 6-0 amethyst beads, my little seed beads. Sorry about that. And then I just have different pieces. I'm using the bar part of the toggle clasp, and I'm using the little faceted coins, and then this pretty faceted one, and then this, and I have a couple jump rings, and I'm using the shell beads. I forgot to show you all that. And then I have the bead cap and a couple of the black ones. Those are the tourmaline. Okay, so let's go back to this now. So we're doing this, and then we've got the faceted coin bead. And then we're going to do one more of those. And then we're going to just have it, let me see here. Okay. Now we're going to just have it where it goes around. See, that's why I like to use my round nose pliers, because I can put it in there and make that round look. Okay. So there I have, let me see really quick. Okay. So yeah, so I have it like this to begin with. Okay. So I have that. Now I'm going to open this one up. I'm going to put it through here. And then do that like that. Then I'm going to take the bead cap and I'm going to put it over here so it kind of covers those two holes. And then I'm going to do the pink one. And I'm going to do the black. These are the ones with the holes that you can never find. Oh, here it is. Ta-da! Oh, okay, hold on. These are just, there's the hole. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we're going, oh, okay, so now we're going for the pink seed bead. And the faceted one, pink faceted one, the next pink seed bead, and then the black one. Oh, there's the hole. Nice. Oh. Okay. Where's that hole go? Here it is. Okay. So now I'm going to lay this next to it. Just to make sure, yes. So now when you hold it up like this, you want it to be facing this way so that that little medallion is doing that. So what I do is I turn it, it's kind of hard to show, let me get it in position, I'll show you. So I turn it, so I dangle it so it's free dangling, and I dangle it so that the medallion is on the side, so it's facing the other way, so I could turn this like that. And then so now if you hold it up like this, see how that little metal piece goes like that. So then what you want to do, lay this down. You want to take your first ear wire and you want to make sure that it's going the opposite way so that when whoever is the recipient of these earrings, when they have it in their ear going this way, the metal's laying this way. Does that make sense? I hope so. So that is the first pair. Now I'm going to do the second pair. So the second pair, I have this jump ring. I think this jump ring is, let me see here. So it's 7. Okay. So now what I'm going to do with this, take both of my pieces and I'm going to open that up like that. Then I'm going to put this really pretty one on, and then I'm going to put a seed bead on each side, and then I'm going to take the bottom part of the ear of the eye pin, put it like that, and then there we go. So then it's laying like that. Now we want to do some seed beads. I'm trying to get the ones that are laid a little more evenly flat so that we don't have problems with the beads looking tilted. So yeah, as long as they're even like that, we're going to do this coin looking bead and then 2 more of the bead caps 1 and 2. Okay, and that's that. So now for this one, we want it to lay like this. So we're going to take this and it will be laying sideways. We're going to tip it like that. And then you're going to round this out. Okay, so it could go either way with this, as long as that's going to be laying down like that. Then we're going to do the ear wire. And there's the second one. These are just cute little pairs of earrings, you know, just... Okay, and now this is the third one, and I used the little bar from the toggle clasp. I thought it was so cute. Okay, so with this one, I'm going to open this bottom one up. I'm going to stick this on. Okay, I have that. Now I'm going to do the coin bead. I'm going to do the seed bead and the black tourmaline bead. And there's the hole. Okay. Seed bead. And then the pink one. See? It's a cute little... Okay, so now for this, again, it's turned to the side so that the hole will be going this way, so that when they're wearing the earrings, you can see the bar. So what I usually do, if I need to adjust it or anything, there we go. Okay. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to put this on there. Let me get them more. Okay. And here's the third pair. So I hope you enjoyed this video. These are so cute. These would be great to give to your friends for Valentine's Day or for birthdays or just because, or keep them for yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And like I said, I have a coupon code for Bargain Bead Box. It's BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. And let me know down in the comments what you thought of these and if you think you're going to make these or not. And all of my social media links are below in the description. And stay tuned for my next video. I know you're going to love it. And you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.